So this is a gem I've been sitting on for a minute from the Nadula hair. I came on through and gave you what this unit looks like out the pack. And then I also customized the bangs a bit. So that's what you're seeing here. Let's get into the before and after. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. My loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to film, which is why I look crazy as hell right now. Joe and I are filming for Love is Blind, which Love looked identical in friggin' Minnesota, but who am I? Let's dig on in. We got a new unit from Nadula Hair. All right, guys, I'm coming through with the unit from Nadula Hair. This is a lace frontal pre-everything, okay, unit with bangs, okay. She has an adjustable band, comb in the back, as well as the latex and adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. Get into that. She's already pre-curled. Her little bang with her little Velcro roller, okay? So she's wearing it ready to go. Let's throw her on and see what she's working with. This baby is 24 inches. She's currently going for around just under $250, around $234. Okay. The texture of the hair at first touch is beautiful. Oh. The lace is a little bright. Okay. The lace is a little bright. But we're going to get it together, y'all. Okay. This is first looks. Let's get into the goodies and I'll style her down. This unit came with a wig bag, okay? Obviously, Nadula branded bands. We love these. Some nails. The pink is pretty, y'all. Some wig caps. Can't get enough of these. As well as this cute little Nadula bag. I love this. So I'm going to show my mammy tat mouth. I'm going to get this unit together because I have to go. Every day I'm using something different to darken my lace. All right, my love. So I wanted to give you guys two looks here. In the red, that's the customized bang so you guys can see. And then the black, I have the bang straight out the pack. Now this unit is 24 inches. It's a 7x5 by knots pre-everything wig. The wig came all ready to go, okay? Really didn't have to do anything. I'm only tightening up the curls for the plot. And this unit is going for $242. After showing you all the middle part, just really this unit out the pack with a bunch of curls, I really wanted to go on through and give you guys another look. This is more of a side part situation with the bang. I wanted to come on through and give you this. It just required me to flip the hair over and flatten her out at the top, as well as just add a few extra curls in on the side to make sure that we really define this look. Now, this is really inspired by anything that Cash Doll does. I could have gone through and chopped this up a bit more to give you guys the real Detroit layers. Y'all know I love to cut some hair. But in truth, I just wanted to show, this is for the girlies who just are beginners and they just want to go on through and throw this wig on their head. They know they want to style and they just want to give it effortless, you know what I mean? It doesn't require a lot, but we still look cute and raring and ready to go. That's what this is supposed to give. And I think it is. This unit with the way this hair is layered is very fascinating, but I love this side part look. Like, I love it. Actually, I think the unit is more made for this look than it is in the middle. Now I'm going to do my last look, which is just throwing mother up in a mammy tat and ponytail. Of the three hairstyles, this was probably the easiest. It only required a hair tie and 3 bobby pins, okay? So I'm going to go on through, throw her up so you guys get a good look at all the love, sex, and magic that we're providing with this unit. We came on through and gave you 3 versatile styles. I hope you like it. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Thank you all for keeping up with me. And I gave you 3 styles. Did you deserve it? Maybe. Maybe. Are you liking and commenting and sharing this video? This unit, again, is a 13x4 pre-everything bang unit. It's pre-curled, pre-cut lace, okay? Let me show you. The lace is pre-cut. She's glueless. She came rearing and ready to go. The bangs were pre-cut. I didn't even I chose not to cut the bangs because every time I get these units, I cut the bangs and then I'm like, oh, I cut the bangs too short. So this time around, I said, leave them alone. And we just gonna rock out and see what they're working with. Now, this unit came layered. Very much pre-cut. Look at these, like, I didn't cut this in. This came that way. So it's layered throughout to give you, I think it's supposed to give more cash gal, Detroit tees. But I don't know about these cuts, okay? And that's my truth. However, I do love the texture of this hair. It is absolutely stunning. I do love the construction of this cap. She does feel a little bit loose on me. I would have preferred combs on the side. I'm just a secure girly. If I'm going to wear something glueless, I want it to be worn down. I want it to be smack dab up on my Mimi Tatum head. I don't want to have to worry about it. You know what I mean? And this one, I'm concerned. I'm a bit concerned. But other than that, I think this is so cute. I love the long fluffy bang. I love what they were able to do. I will probably chop her up a little bit more. I didn't want to do that for you guys. I wanted you to see her fresh out the pack. The unit is very big head friendly. I did tighten her up. Again, the texture of the hair is silky. She is a body wave. I did curl her up using my T3 barrel curler that I am absolutely positively obsessed with. It takes 20 seconds for them to heat up. I can't express how much you need a pair of these. And I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just actually really do love this curling iron, like a lot. I use my Andy straightening comb as well, okay? So you guys can get into that and I can flatten out the top. I ain't gonna lie. Out of 10, I would give this unit 7.5. I love this. I really do like it. Well, her and I were going on a second date. I will go on a second date with her. I will curl her up. I will really give her a little love, sex, and magic, okay? So I done came what I was supposed to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Check out Nadula Hair, okay, like we always do. I'm going to leave everything in the description box. Make sure you're subscribed to this Mimi Tatum channel and you're liking and sharing. I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.